We just realized something. We need to be aware that when filming with the GoPro 10, it has an amazing stabilization feature that we always use. But when it's fixed to the truck and we're driving, as we turn, anything to the right or left of the frame will subtly slide in and out of frame as we turn.
The power disconnect at the last minute so that we still have refrigeration. Yeah, it's a biggie out here.
Maybe we should only film while we're going in a straight line.
Which means we're going to have to find something to do for 45 minutes or so just to hang out. Otherwise, we get charged $30 for the pleasure of being 40 minutes early.
Monte Vista RV Resort is where we're headed for another 3 weeks. We were told that they only have 30 campers there.
Very good.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Well, let's see. I've got all of my outside stuff put away. I never really set up the outdoor kitchen, so that's a plus. We move tomorrow morning, so I've got to try finishing up as much as I can today, but I'm off right now to go to services and then be back and do some more, whatever I can get done before it gets too hot outside. I'll do a little more when it gets darker out, so there's nothing but maybe just the stinky slinky and the water to put away with the power disconnect at the last minute so that we still have refrigeration. Yeah, it's a biggie out here. Now I do have to remove the fans and roll up the extension cords and then put the vents back in place before we go, but I'm going to wait till the last minute for that, just because we want to keep the fridge as cool as possible in the heat that's going to be coming for tomorrow's travel day. Now, our drive to the next park is only about 11 minutes. And checkout time here is 11 a.m. The earliest check-in time at the next Encore Park is 12 p.m. So we can't check in until noon, which means we're going to have to find something to do for 45 minutes or so just to hang out. Otherwise, we get charged $30 for the pleasure of being 40 minutes early. $30, that's doggone near a whole day's stay at a campsite. Well, I don't think we're going to do that. Now, we're going to have to run ACs for the full time just to keep the RV cool enough to be able to finish the setup without busting in the heat. It is what it is. Just kind of frustrating. I don't want to get charged for another day's stay just for being in a few minutes too early. Well, when we get there, we'll get settled in and then I'll get back to finishing the finish. Did I say that? On the rig. I'll just take my time and try to deal with the heat as best as possible. Yeah, and take a look at this. 6 years in the sun have absolutely destroyed the lights on the cap of this rig. We hardly ever use them, but I mean, they look so craggy and nasty. I understand it's not that hard of a job, but we'll see. They're kind of high up. It's another project to add to the list. we'll get on it while we can. What am I doing now? Going to services and then back to see Shelly and Grizz. Talk to you in a bit.
Okay, patrons, the patches are in and they look really good. Now, all we need to do is wait for more of the hats, and our embroidery company will put them all together so we can ship them out. Hang tight, guys. It seems that progress moves at a snail's pace.
The Monday after our move and before our doctor's visit, I'm off to a nearby lab for a routine blood draw. This Wednesday, it's into Phoenix and a visit with my cancer doctor for shots and more pills.
Injections?
A what infection?
Heparin injections for blood thinners?
I don't think so.
No?
I've taken some heparin type medications for a close or a near DVT, but that's it.
Oh, okay. Just the actual,
Yeah, an oral med for it because it was my right leg, the saphenous, had blocked off. Yeah, one in the stomach, but there was a problem with the first needle.
Injections
Oh, did you?
myself, yeah.
Oh, I haven't felt anything here yet, so that's good. A testament.
Let me see, because it's...
It was too small for the viscous medicine to pass, so a second attempt with a larger gauge needle. So, tummy times 2.
Have you had this one before?
A couple times.
Doing okay?
Didn't feel it at all.
Okay, good.
Anticipated it, but didn't feel it.
You know which ones I don't like at all are the finger pricks.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, I hate getting those.
Then one in the back of an arm. Whatever it takes to beat this horrible disease.
Doing okay? Does this one bother you or no?
No, ma'am.
Does it
Not
sting or no?
at all.
Thank you all for sharing your Sunday evenings with us every week at 5 p.m. Arizona time. We do so enjoy your company. Till next week, please travel safe.